For this tutorial, you'll need a red ditty. These can be found in the Read Write Ink, My Reading and Writing Kit, More Sounds and Blending. The red ditty books provide a bridge between reading simple words and reading stories. These are fully illustrated simple texts with around 20 words per ditty and 4 ditties per book. Green words. When you come to read the red ditty books with your child, you'll see that most of the words are described as green words. Green words are words that your child will be able to read once they can read the speed sounds in that word. Children learn to read green words first by sound blending and then begin to build up speed. Once your child can read words at speed, their effort can go into thinking about the ditty. Red words. Most of the ditties include 1 or 2 red words. Red words are tricky words that do not sound as they look. For example, I, my, no and the. Watch how Hugo helps Ottilie with all the activities for her first red ditty.
Okay, Ottilie, so we're going to read this book together. So first, let's check our sounds. What about this sound? That's right. Shh. That's good. What about this one? Oh, good girl. Look at me. That's it. Well done. Very good. How about this one? It's That's it. Try this one down here. How about this one here in the circle? That's it. Why don't you pick some other sounds? That's B. D. How about good girl? That's right. That's it. Good girl.
X-ray.
Yeah, for X-ray. Good girl. Let's check a couple of vowels.
O.
Very good.
Speed sounds. Point to and ask your child to say the sounds, not the letter names, in and out of order. Sometimes one sound is represented by 2 letters, a digraph. The digraphs used in the book are circled. Point to the circled sounds first.
Right. So let's read our green words first. Sound it out.
Head.
Yeah, sound it out first.
Head.
Good girl. Good girl.
Hat.
Hat. Well done. Fred talk the words. So you say sun.
Sun.
Good girl. Try the next one. Sound it out. Good girl. Well done. Keep going.
It.
Yes.
Un. And.
Good.
Run.
Brilliant. Now those are our green words. Now what about this one? This is a...
Red word.
It's a red word. This red word is put. Put. That's it. So when we see it, we know that it's put. It's a red word. Put.
Like that.
Like that is a red word. Well done.
Ditty green words. For each word, ask your child to read the separate sounds and then blend the sounds together to say the word. Ditty red words. Red words don't sound as they look. Read the words out to your child. Ask your child to practice reading the word.
Right. Ottilie, let's read this story. What's the story called? Okay. Let's Fred talk these words.
Sun.
Good.
Hat.
Good.
Sun.
Oh, very good. Well done. Well done. Right, now this rhyming ditty is about a dad who has a very special hat. What is your favourite hat?
Cowboy.
A cowboy hat. Amazing.
What's me pie?
Pirate hat. What a choice. Right, let's see what happens.
Introduction. At the start of each ditty is a short story introduction. Read this to your child before they read the ditty.
Okay, you're going to start pointing. Do you want to point or shall I point?
Me.
You. Okay, go on then.
Dad.
Good.
Had.
Good. Yes.
I. Hat.
Hat. Good. At. Hat. Good.
Sun.
Point to the words. Sun.
Hat.
Hat. At. Hat. Yes, that's right. Well done. Dad had a hat. A sun hat. Yeah, there he is. Look. Very good. Right. Next page. Oh wow! Look. Sound it out. Fred, talk it. Yes. Fun. Fun. That's one word. Fun. Next one. Point to the word.
Hat.
Good. A fun hat. No, it's a red word. What's that red word? Good girl. Put. Try that again. Sound it out. It. Good girl. Next word. Yes. Sound it out, Fred. Talk it. Good. And. Yeah. Run. Good girl. Hat. Good. Let's have a look. A fun hat. Put. Red word. It on and run hat. Look. He's running along. Let's do these final ones.
Run.
Hooray! Well done. There he goes.
Reading the ditty. Help your child to sound blend each word, unless your child can already read the word without blending. Praise your child for their effort. Tell them the red word if they get stuck.
Right, my turn to read the story now, and then should we talk about it? Yeah, right, okay. So, Dad had a hat. A sun hat. There it is. Ooh. A fun hat. Put it on and run hat. Run. Wow. Right. Should we just... There you go. Right, let's have a look. Things to talk about. Ottilie, what did Dad do in his hat? He ran, didn't he? He ran. Let's see who else is wearing a hat. Who can you see who's wearing a hat? Oh, so how many hats are there?
3.
There are 3 hats. Do you like wearing hats, Ottilie?
But not a slime one.
No? Oh, okay. That was a great story, wasn't it, Ottilie? Should we read the next one tomorrow? Yeah! Brilliant!
Questions to talk about. Reread the story to your child. Read the questions at the back of the Red Ditty book aloud to your child and ask them to find the answers on the relevant pages. Don't ask your child to read the questions. The words are harder than they can read at the moment.